Ooh, he's got the good stuff. That whole arch is hinged. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in a perfect weekend boat, you got to come out and check this Four Winns. It is a V358 and it's got very low hours on it and it's super clean. We're going to go out and run it for a little bit. Just had a tune-up. No bottom paint, which is a plus, and engines were all just serviced, and it's looking really sweet. Just got a nice detail. You can see that shine. Go ahead and walk around here. New canvas.
But he's going to have all the same marking.
Okay guys, so I'm going to take us on a walkthrough. This is a Four Winns V358 V. This is the option sailor. Very clean. There are some carpets down below. There's a fridge in behind here. Storage, cleaning supplies here. You got a little sink right under there. More storage. All your PFDs are here. Subwoofer down there for the stereo. And that's the little vent and lets natural light into the aft cabin. And there's not a door for the aft cabin. It's a curtain that you can pull closed for privacy. All the interior is very nice. I think it's all been redone. The canvas has all been redone. There's a full cover that covers the entire boat. And coming up here, this is your helm station. Again, remember, it's a 2008. So what I would recommend when the time comes, I mean, it does have radar, and you know, there's your chart plotter. Each of the engines have 545 hours on them. And we could touch this up here. This is just worn, but there are paints that are real easy to do. And I would just paint this whole area right here. That's just a recommendation from me. And she's got the MerCruiser 5.7s, 350 horsepower each. Another key feature of this particular boat is this radar arch will tilt forward. So if you have a little bridge that you need to get underneath, that whole arch is hinged. Beautiful stainless steel glass all the way around, and it's 316 stainless. You got little vents here. You have your steps to go up onto the bow. There were bow cushions. We're going to check and see if we still have those. And you've got 3 hatches, 2 for natural light and 1 escape hatch for the master stateroom. Windless air conditioning. She's ready to go. Okay, folks, come on down below. Show you around. Very clean. Really nice galley right here. Got a head system. It is a wet head. Could use probably a new TV there, smart TV. But yeah, very comfortable for a family of 4. And if you got 2 couples, this all turns into a bed down below here. There's all your switching, your AC system, DC system. So yeah, pretty nice. Great weekender. Very unmolested. So yeah, come on and check her out in person. Look at this headliner. It's like perfect. think there is a ram there that needs to be replaced or repaired. That's not a big deal though. All right, what else do we have here? Ooh, he's got the good stuff. I found Patron. I could edit it out. Lots of good storage. Storage underneath the settee here. There's a table that goes in there, or support, to make that into a bed. There's another table that goes in here for this seating area. So yeah, this is perfect for a weekend. It's definitely a weekend boat. Or go to the sandbar, go to a restaurant on the water. It's set up pretty cool. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Here is your sump pump for your shower system. Purring like a king.